On the count of 3, say what you think happens when you die.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Nothing. Yeah.
Oh.
I just want to know those still, even though that sounds pretty bleak.
Even the concept of being nothing is interesting because I've never been nothing.
Me too. And when you try to think of before you existed, things get very confusing and disorienting.
What would it take for you to die happy? Being close to me?
No. I mean, yeah.
What? That's mine.
Oh.
It's just being close to you.
I guess that's part of it.